Dati, akala ko, it is always my responsibility to defend myself to others. But now, I've learned that maturing is choosing my battle wisely. Ngayon ko mas naiintindihan na hindi porket tumahimik ako, ay talo ako. At hindi rin porket nag-iingay ako, ay tama na ang ipinaglalaban ko. And I was reminded again na hindi lahat ng sugatan ay tama palagi ang ipinaglalaban. That's why I always need God's grace. I need His wisdom too. Hindi palaging tapang lang dapat ang dala. Dapat may wisdom din. It is not winning the battle alone, but winning the battle with God. May tamang oras para magsalita, at may tamang oras din para manahimik muna. Silence is always necessary to reflect and reconnect with God. At the end of the day, choose bring hope and not pain. Kahit gaano ka man sinaktan ng mundo, wag na wag mong ibabalik sa Kanya ang sakit na ipinaranas niya sa'yo. You may once was hurt, but love is still alive. This is your sign. Itabi mo muna at si Lord na ang bahala. And dear, He will redeem you from places where your name was tarnished by wrong accusations. God knows everything. Now relax and let God be God. With love and prayers, Noel.